What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be testing out a product from Archoil. So this here is what we're working with. It is the Archoil AR6400D. It's a diesel fuel system cleaner. It's supposed to clean injectors, turbos, and DPFs. There's all the benefits of it. And on the back, you are supposed to add the whole bottle to 40 gallons of diesel, or half the bottle to 20 gallons. If you do the whole bottle in a full tank of fuel, that is like a bomb going through your entire engine fuel system to clean out all the soot deposits, all the DPF deposits, everything in the whole exhaust. It's basically like a cleanse for your truck. All right, so before I do anything, we're gonna get a baseline of the faces of all three emissions components on this truck. So right there, we have the converter. This section here is the SCR. This section here is the DPF. So I want to get a picture of the face of each of these and see what we're working with.
All right, so this is a picture of the cat beforehand. You can see there are some blocked passages there. It's overall not too bad because this truck is pretty clean running. And here's a picture of the SCR before. As you can see around the edges, there are some blocked passages. Hopefully we can get some stuff cleaned up on that. And lastly, we have the DPF. So this here is supposed to be where all the magic happens with this Archoil. I'm supposed to clean out all these soot deposits. You see this one's not too bad because, like I said before, it is a very clean running truck, but we'll see what it does.
All right, so we got our baseline pictures to show where we're starting off with. Now we're going to take the bottle, dump it in the fuel system, go fill the truck up with fuel, and then drive the tank through, and then take some pictures after. Well, we're all fueled up. Put the Archoil in. Now we just got to cruise. All right, so we got our tank full of fuel ran through the truck. And time to get some after pictures of just running one tank full of fuel with the flush through it. So let's see what we got. All right, guys, so we got our pictures. Now let's head to the computer, see the results.
All right, and here we have the cat before and the cat after. You can see before there are a lot of black ridges around the edges of the honeycomb, and after there are not. And here we have the DPF. As you can see, it did an amazing job with the filter. This is what the product claims to do. It claims to clean out your DPF, but the next part is what kind of surprised me. So this is what kind of surprised me as well as Archoil when I talked to them. This is the SCR before and after. And as you can see, the dark deposits on the SCR are lighter. They don't claim to change anything in the SCR, like clean anything out of it or do any scrubbing of that, but this product actually does, which surprised both myself and the company.
All right, so we got our results, and they are very positive in my opinion. The SCR, we can see those black soot deposits and stuff like that are getting flushed out of there. The cat looked cleaner. The DPF as well, you can see it's beginning to clean up. Now keep in mind, I've only ran one tank of fuel and the flush through. So the flush is basically just pushing all the crap out of there and starting to clean the DPF and doing its job. Now, as a maintenance item, customers also going to get a jug of this to keep up on maintenance and keep that DPF clean. So in short, would I recommend this product for somebody having some issues with their DPF? It's not quite getting cleaned out all the way and stuff like that. 100%. For sure, I would definitely recommend this product. And again, it is the AR6400D Fuel System Cleaner from Archoil. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.